Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to easily display chats and emails in the label list on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com in your web browser. Then, from the top bar, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize different aspects of your Gmail account. Now, navigate to the Labels section on the settings page. Here, you will find a list of all the labels that you have created or that are pre-installed in your Gmail account. Scroll down until you find the Chats label. Click on the Show option next to the Chats label. This will ensure that all your chat conversations and emails related to chats will be displayed in the label list on the left side of your Gmail inbox. And that's it. You have successfully configured Gmail to display chats and emails in the label list on your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.